No, I've been muted all this fucking time. Oh, fuck. Okay. Anyway, let's rewind. Let's go back to the beginning. Fuck. Okay. All right. So let's do this again. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Fuck. Okay. Cool. Cursing out of the way. I was setting up not so that it makes sense in case anybody wants to actually follow. I was setting up two Ergotechs Freedom Arms. This is why that will make sense later. I was setting up two of these today, so the stream is late because I had one. I had bought two 27-inch monitors, and I had one not like an arm that had two, like a stand that had two arms, but that didn't it felt really wobbly, so I put those away. Used the monitor stands. These came on sale, so I bought two, and today I was putting them on. This is why I'm late. Anyway, that's that. All right, next. Yes, I went to the Kotlin website and I say I want to use it. I want to use it in IntelliJ. I go in here and it's been updated in November 2015, and that is not today. So therefore, all these instructions are old. Therefore, we cannot get 1.0. And I think we can use EAP. So the EAP 2016 version to use Kotlin 1.0. All right, I think we're caught on. Oh, that was so embarrassing. Anyway, we're gonna keep going with this. And the chat's like kind of in a weird location. We're gonna leave it there for now because I don't have any other place to put it. But anyway, nobody's chatting, so who cares? I might even put it away. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put it away. No more chat. Until somebody starts chatting, we're not gonna put the chat on the screen. Okay, so that's downloading. I think I already finished. We'll check it out in a bit. So, and the documentation. Oh, this is something else, but no, we can close that. So we want to do this thing here. We want to do the ext version to use. Oh shit! Come on! I'm already screwing everything up today. So, actually, IntelliJ does let you scroll sideways if you want to do that thing that I was talking about. Let's turn on fluids as well, because if anybody is looking at this and they might want to go into it. Override remote files because yeah, why not? Because I said so. This thing is wrong. It says I'm using Windows 8 and I'm using Windows 10. I might submit a bug report. I don't know yet. Okay, so we have the build script. We add this thing, and we actually want to use version. Oh man, Taraj is playing. It's playing XCOM 101.0.0. Alright, so Gradle started going crazy. That was really embarrassing. No audio. This is not the first time I do that, by the way. So I did this earlier before I got on stream just to see if it was gonna work, but let's do it live here. And I think I'm just copying it verbatim because I don't know. I've used Maven a lot and I am very comfortable with it, and I am very, I don't want to say very good. I'm decent. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm supposed to do, what I'm supposed to look for. Gradle, not so much. I have no idea what a lot of these things is, and I can go read about it, but I just haven't done it. So that's Gradle's doing something there. Is it happy? Let's see what's going on here. Dependencies, all this JetBrains. Oh my goodness, holy shit. Okay, so we also need so we have this variable. I'm assuming this is a variable. Ext means variable, I guess. And then you're setting up the version 1.0. I think we keep scrolling down. You're gonna see something else. We have the plugin. We have, actually they might have changed some of the stuff is from the What's it called? The fuck. IntelliJ plugin documentation. So let's keep going. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't do any Android stuff. But we do need, in addition to Kotlin Gradle plugin dependency shown above, you need to add a dependency on the Kotlin standard library. Okay, so we are definitely using the Kotlin standard library. So again, same thing here, and we're using their JetBrains testing library called Spec, and we also need to make sure that that version matches. So if you're using reflection or test facilities, we're not using any of the test facilities. Okay, so we're good. And let's see, let's just build the project. I guess it's probably not gonna build. This never happens. This never works for me. And we're gonna try this without upgrading to fuck. There we go. Could not find plugin Kotlin version. I don't even know what this means. Is there a shit? Does anybody know? Gradle ext. Because it's trying to, you can't see it, or I guess you can kind of see it, but it's trying to get to, fuck, it's trying to get to some place that doesn't exist. Ext variable, and then we're gonna just IntelliJ, because this must be a bug in IntelliJ. Oh no, maybe it's not. Let's open Baboon. Oh, recently I changed, instead of using Antigen for my Gradle plugins, I'm using something else. I'm using Zgen, and it's way faster. It's insanely faster. It's not as nice if you're interacting with it, but it's way faster. So if you like Antigen, I would say check it out. But anyway, TS Twitch chat. Okay, so now let's do and oh crap. Okay, Gradle W compile test Kotlin, because that's the only command I know. I guess I can type compile and see what happens. Oh, see, it doesn't understand. Am I doing this wrong? It's not even an IntelliJ thing at that point. It's like a variable thing. Maybe I'm using a wrong version of Gradle. Extra properties extension. There you go. Did it say that I need a specific version of Gradle? Excuse me. Build. Okay, let's pop this. Let's make this guy bigger here because we're gonna need to search some stuff. So we do Gradle ext build script. I'm a total noob at this stuff. All right. dollar sign, because I don't think that's being parsed correctly. Gradle error with dollar sign. There we go. I don't know. This looks promising. Shit, this doesn't mean anything. Oh my. Oh. So I think I need to use this one. Yeah. Okay. So it is it's groovy. So I need to use the double quotes. So it does string interpolation if I do single quotes. Okay. If you want literal $, either use single quoted string literal or escape it. Yep, but I don't want it. I want freaking variable. Okay. Cool. Today we learned something. So Groovy does string interpolation, and that is awesome. But the only way it'll do it is if you do double quotes. So, alright, now it should work. Now it should be like, yeah, I got you, buddy. I don't remember what this was for. Oh yeah, this was for Spec. Is Spec still in their own proprietary freaking thing? Or IntelliJ's own? So let's go look for Spec. Spec. I like that name. Spec. Apparently it means bacon. Some kind of. Well, not Twitch. Sorry. Fuck. Test, and then JetBrains. Okay, so then let's do a rebuild project. Yeah. And here they show that I'm gonna need to upgrade this one too to 195 because it won't work otherwise. Yeah, I still need the repository. Oh, look, they use version. I should probably do that for that too, huh? Eh, dude, should I? Is that like a thing people do for Gradle? Like, do they type the version somewhere else? Like ext spec. I don't want to end up with 1,000 freaking variables because I only have to type it one, like spec version, and then you go 0.1.9195, and then I type this shenanigans here. Spec. I'm gonna hide this previous because my things. Oh shit, dude, my CPU usage is so high. Oh god. Oh, it's probably because of that. Oh no. Fuck. Because Gradle goes insane, so it's like spin the hard disk as far as spin my processor as fast as you can. So I guess that worked out, and I think that worked. Let's do it again. Kotlin unresolved reference should be false. What? Spec version. Cannot resolve symbol. Whoa. If I do ext dot. No, I thought that worked for the other one, but it's saying it can't find it because did the API change? That's probably what happened. The API changed, huh? The API changed. Docs. Okay. All right. What is there? There's no docs here. Let's not include that, and let's see if there's anything that we can import. Hey, look. New plugin. That's exactly what I was looking for. I installed it, but nothing happened. Oh shit. Alright. Come on, import. There we go. Okay, now we can also import this guy. Oh, come on, IntelliJ. Find it, please. Oh boy. Get started. This is not useful. Ah, shit. Okay, learn more. Specification framework. Oh boy. Okay, let's go to the repo and see what we find there. They have to have tests. I mean, spec tests. No, samples. There we go. Samples. And they must be using Kotlin 1.0 as well. Oh, let's see their build Gradle. Spec core. Ooh, I don't even know what this means. Don't worry about it. Let's keep going. Samples. Samples. Spec API. They don't actually have to import anything. Oh, dude, this is weird. Should be true. Assertion kit. They have to like. No, something's fishy here. Oh no, fuck. Something is fishy. Should on what am I doing wrong? Let's see Slack if anybody's there and see what they're doing. But I also upgraded the thing, so. Shit. What? Nothing got upgraded. Like this is 23 days ago. So this is the latest thing. Is this even still working? Let's make sure that we are an Orangi master. Tags. Oh shit, there's no tags. Let's look at the this thing to see the feature. Shit. Is there a spec channel? Yeah, there is. Let's join it. Let's ask a question. Can we expect a version of spec? Can we expect a version of spec compiled for Kotlin 1.0 RC? This should be a question for Hari. Did the API changed in version 0.0.1. What am I doing? Which one am I doing? Wait, I want to feel like a noob if I can't build it because I did something stupid. You know what? Let's reset back to this and don't use version number because I actually don't know what I'm doing. Fuck. Chill, IntelliJ. I'm not done yet. Stop compiling. Fuck. Alright. So a shit ton of dependencies. What was here before? Yeah, because I can't find it anymore. And I am not quite sure that source test. So org dot JetBrains. Here we go. Jar spec API. Should be. What's in spec? I think assertions is what I. Okay, let's try that. Assertions KT. But now there's something like fucking weird about this. Like it says it's his receiver. It actual T should be true. Oh my goodness. How do I download AP, Java docs and shit in Gradle? Yeah, man, didn't you get my freaking thing when I was streaming? You know what? I'm sorry, dude. Sorry. Kotlin 1.0 came out, alright? We gotta try it out. We gotta try to make things work. Let's ask a question. You can watch both at the same time, I was streaming. I wanted to stream earlier, but shit happens, and then I couldn't do it. Yeah, go play on your own. And then you can watch that lady, what's her name? Assertions KT. KT should stand for Kotlin. So I should. Sorry, dude. Sorry. I am a little bit like, I don't know what's going on, man. Everything's broken. Gradle download sources. Yeah, you're gonna watch me? Hell yeah. So sweet. Oh, if you read the docs, it tells you. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, idea. Download Java doc. I actually love reading both, so let's do it. Let's do it. Oh shit, there's nothing. I'm not really sure where anything goes here, but let's just dump it in the place that I love the most, and just in the middle of nowhere. Download. Does it autocomplete for this? There is. Come on. Oh no. Java doc. It's true, and then download. Oh no. Come on. Download sources. True. Because we want everything. Alright. Oh, what? Why is this thing lying to me? Does anybody know how to do Gradle? Because I don't know how to do Gradle. I'm just copying this from here, not doing anything. Oh. Did I copy it wrong? Module. No. This is not what I want. I don't fucking want this. Maybe I do want this. Module. Right, go crazy. Go to town. While I go search more docs. In Maven, you can do like Maven dependencies colon sources, and that downloads the sources. But here, apparently, it's different. I really need to sit down and read the Gradle documentation at some point. Is there no music going on? What is this? Oh, there is music. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, my problem is that I can't find the right stuff for the test. I might have to turn off testing for a little bit. Or actually, we can read the source code. We can read the source. With an API. Spec. Maybe you need to include the like on and like should. Like I don't feel like a section assertion. Yeah, like I want to include this. So one way we can eliminate all these problems is to verify that the version of Kotlin didn't fuck everything up. So let's go back here. Let's leave this here for now. It's super inoffensive. Let's change the version back to whatever the fuck I had before. 1 point. Can I copy part of it? Copy it. This is an experiment here because we're trying to get this to build correctly. Because we want to use Kotlin 1.0, right? This is why we're here. We're trying to get this thing to work. But it doesn't. So we get sad. I get sad. It's like, I was waiting for this all day. It's like, fuck yeah, I'm gonna do this when I get home. Then it doesn't fucking work. 191. Alright, 191. Alright, we're back to where we started. Alright. Gradle, do your magic. Can we install these one concurrently? Like, if I install the AP at the same time, can I have both the 15.03 and see, it wants me to install old versions. You know, we'll do it in a bit. I think we're gonna have to do it. That's just my gut feeling. Yeah. Okay, it's done doing that. And if we go to the... Yeah, see, it's all there now. And I can go and like click on shit and like, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now, I go to 195 and all hell breaks loose, right? Yep. 195, it all goes to shit. Because God knows why. It's asking the Slack. I'm probably gonna get flamed, be like, did you fucking read the docs? I was like, I tried. I have witnesses. They saw me look at the documentation. I even read the code. It's there. I mean, I saw it. It's there. API should be... Actually... Like, maybe it's assertions kt that should be. Is that what it should be? No, but it's fucking weird because look, it... Okay, if we go to assertions here, it's expected. If it should be true, right? Why do you take two arguments? It should be true, only takes one argument. Should be false, should only take one argument, but here it takes two, which makes no sense. Something is wrong. Something is messed up here. I don't know what it is. I can't figure it out. Let's say if we go to like one milestone 14 should be... Oh, so now it's it. It what? See, and I can't even look at the source because fucking Gradle doesn't want to let me do it. Yeah, let's not worry about it. Maybe somebody will talk to me on the chat. But let's go on this quest of upgrading the browser, not the browser, the IntelliJ. So we use AP16. Let's say goodbye to that. Let's keep going. Uninstall all that stuff. We don't need it. Out with the old. Go. No, don't make any desktop shortcuts, don't make any associations, I don't need any of that. See, I have an SSD and I have a fast computer, yet it still feels like it's slow. Like, that should have been done already. I mean, this is 2016, guys. It's too freaking slow. And look, my processor is not shitty. It's going at 3.8. It's only, see, that's the problem. It's only utilizing 64%. It needs to be using all of those freaking little people that work in my cores. All right, there it goes. Oh yeah. I mean, I bitch, but it's doing a lot of work. So kudos to the people who make this. In the meantime, we just get to dick around. I'm just gonna get Kotlin compiling my code, upgrading everything to 1.0 because that's what we want to do, and then at some point this week I will continue. I fixed the problem I had last time, and that was because the documentation didn't specify a certain little detail about the code that I assumed. See, that's the problem with state, especially state that is not tracked and not documented. I say this as if I documented my code. I did say run IntelliJ, right? Guess it doesn't want to. This is the one I want to run. Oh man, that bird is sick. I'm so glad I did it. When is EAP scheduled to come out? Doesn't matter, I don't care. Look, it's awesome. Let's update all the plugins. Is Kotlin one of them? Kotlin is not one of them. What the fuck? Okay. It's fine. Maybe it'll fix itself. Is somebody talking to me here? Nope. Can I change the font here so you guys can also look at what's going on? View. Oh, zoom in. Zoom in. Control Shift. Control Shift equals. Where's the? Yeah. Oh shit. That's a little bit huge, but you know what? That's fine. How else are you gonna see this? I asked the question. I actually am gonna tweet about it too. Tweet? Because I don't know what's going on. Did the spec API change? Maybe do they have a Twitter? Spec get spec. Let's ask the internet, because this is indexing all this stuff, so it's gonna take a while. Because my computer is slow apparently. Spec Twitter test. Get spec. Can get it to work using version 0.1.195. Help. And then we just write Kotlin, because hashtag it with Kotlin, because you know what? Oh, look, I got a follower. Nice. Thanks for the follow, Pestle. What did they do? Alright. Sweet, we're good to go here. 1.0. We're still learning on 1.0 beta? Yeah, it's up to the runtime. Allow all this stuff. Java, you have permission to go to the internet. Update the runtime. Man, this is going crazy. What broke? Error while indexing. Any details? Blah blah blah. No big deal. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Platform updates. Following plugins incompatible. Python. Yeah, I don't need Python. I don't even use Python. Fucking hate Python. No, I love Python. Okay. Oh wait, it's back. Alright, but did it change this? Okay, cool. Alright. Oh. Never mind. Now I have to go in there and change everything. So yes. So my suspicion was right that if I changed... Alright, no, fuck it. Let's first run this test. Make sure it works. I'm running the wrong version of... So I don't understand this. It's so strange because the runtime is different. So the test worked, right? But I'm still running 1.0 beta. So let's do that. Let's run 1.0. And it's probably going to work. I just don't understand why it wasn't working before. I think the IDEs is really tied into what Kotlin is, and I don't know if I like that. I bet it would have worked if I ran it from the command line. So let's just, my bad. Okay, let me just say started working again when I switched to IntelliJ EAP16. Cool. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay. Cool. Alright, so we're almost there. We're almost there to getting at 1.0 working, and let's make this go away. No. This feature is kind of cool. I love it actually. Because before I used to use something else, but that was like, that application was not supported anymore for a while. Okay. Okay, so we got spec working. What is all this? This is documentation. We don't need any of it. We don't need this. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need this anymore. I think I want to read this later. Okay, so we changed the version, and then oh, there you go. They use double quotes here. See, I fucked up. I was like single quotes forever. I'm just bad at things. This Fluids connect to that as well. Let's push that over. Override remote. Oh man, am I in a branch? Upgrade to Kotlin 1.0.0. How many branches do I have? Test CapChat client. How many of those are merged? I can't visualize from here. I guess I can do git log and it'll draw some shit, but I can't really see it. I guess I can see it. Look. Started with this branch right here, set to Twitch channel, and then I merged because it became like an actual test because I messed up things. Bacon. Callbacks, trigger disconnecting, connecting. I actually might do some work on this because it seems like I already got it working. But I might have spoken too soon. Let's do this first. Well, this is different. I've never seen this before. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at those stats. Oh, it broke. No such method error. Kotlin.text.strings.kt. Fuck. Okay. Oh, I bet this is broken. Okay, I need to change this. Wait, did they change the highlighting and stuff? No, this was fine too. So I don't think I can do this anymore. I need to change the version to Community Edition 16. What am I running right now? Fuck, how do you get those version numbers? Fuck. Okay. Let's go look at the IntelliJ plugin development. Okay, so they have version 40 here. So let's do that 40 because you want to stay up to date. I think they just came out with this latest. There's no branches, no releases. Jesus, how am I supposed to know what's up? Commits. Version 39. This one came out 10 minutes ago. Who is this Solo Tove? Who are you, dude? What are you doing with your life? Oh, Alexander Zolotov. I think I've seen that name in the forums for JetBrains. Oh no, I'm frozen. My computer can't do Intel. It's just way too. I need to like flip the switches to like parallelize fucking everything and make it amazing or something, because I don't know why it's slow today. Plugin development FAQ. Nope. Tutorials. Gradle support. There we go. Oh, this is so out of date. I don't know what I need to put in here, but it needs to be the EAP. Maybe it can tell me how to find the right version. Oh, okay, there we go. So it supports meta value, latest trunk snapshot, latest EAP snapshot. Oh, default is latest EAP snapshot. Okay. Oh, dude, I don't even need to put anything in there. What have I been? Why have I been trying so hard to type something? Plugin name is used for target. Instrument code. Oh, I've been doing this all wrong. Okay, so let's just not do anything here. I'll leave it empty just because just so I can have it there for reference, I guess. But I say default values are plenty good. And this is for me because I'm fucking lazy and I can't ever find documentation. There we go. Yeah, these default values are fine, and this is exactly what I want. I guess at some point I'll fix the version, but since I don't know what version I'm running EAP, so yeah. And let's turn this, check for updates, and let's just. Oh. Yeah, we want to get EAP. When EAP 16, when the actual version goes out. And I don't know if this is good for plugin development. Maybe it's not okay to be writing a plugin for the latest version, but I guess Kotlin depends heavily on the IDE. I could be wrong. I hope somebody corrects me, because I need help. I definitely need help. I also need water. Oh, they fixed it here too. It says Windows 10 now. I guess the IDE was reporting the wrong operating system. Cool, is that done? Alright, let's try this now. Look at that beautiful freaking Gradle something. I might download EAP 16 because I saw Scala got updated too, so they might have some cool stuff in there. Look at that bird. That bird fly. Oh shit. Who's online? Life with Laughs is online. Life with Laughs. I don't think I have this set up to do anything. Oh yeah! Oh, but it doesn't update the thing here. I might just not put anything there. Cool, but it looks like garbage. Look at that! Look at that crap. It's so disgusting. Anyway, that's fine though. That's fine because eventually I'm gonna end up in the Kotlin like tells you plugins here, and I'm gonna ask people about all this shit that I need to ask because I don't know anything. It's a little bit too zoomed in. I think this is big enough. Must resist all those bad jokes. Okay. Yep. So maybe somebody will benefit from me coming in here and being ignorant and not knowing why I'm asking the things I'm asking. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened? Did I close it? Yeah, I did. Cool. Is this thing scrolling down like it's supposed to? Oh man, it's not scrolling down. Let's see if it scrolls down now. There it goes. Cool. Okay, so I think we're good. We're back to the state they wanted to be in. Let me try something. Let me see if I can do Control F2. Doesn't close it. Damn it. It's fine. I can close it. Oh, it just takes a while. And then it closes it. Okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, so to get Kotlin 1.0 working, you probably need IntelliJ 16 EAP or EAP 16, and you need to change your version here. This thing is kind of cool here. You can define your variable ext.kotlin version. Make sure you use double quotes because otherwise it won't do string interpolation. And if you're gonna be using the standard library, which we probably will, then you add that in there. And I'm using spec for testing, and if you use that, the IDE wasn't able to find it, but and that's why you need the latest version. But spec somewhere in here. Spec. Yeah. Business casual, what? Download. Oh, what? Oh. Yeah, you need 0.1.1.195, so you can use 1.0.0. I reckon this is gonna change later because they're not even at 1 or even close to release candidates. So they started. I don't understand how their builds work because they started doing branches for these and then they stopped doing branches, or maybe they do have it. The build server is Team City, I guess. Let's log in and see what's up in there. At this point, I'm just log in as guest because I guess I don't have I think TeamCity is like what's it called? Jenkins equivalent. It seems to be running stuff. So let's look at history. Oh yeah, it is like Jenkins. I tried to get it working once and I couldn't do it, so maybe I'll try it again with this project. Just yeah, why not? Fuck it, why not? Right? Just go to the README. Let's open the README. Oh, this is fucking why using EAP versions kind of sucks. So I can open that, but open the README and fuck, it says fuck you. I don't want to open it. All right, let's try it. Let's exit this. Yep. Did I open source tree? Oh god. Well, I did open source tree, but it doesn't want to open. Nothing wants to open. Semicolon. There we go. Fluids. Yep, I'm gonna accept that one. Oh, it's because this goes to a website here. IntelliJ supports that shift scroll that I was talking about earlier, so that's awesome. I love it. Add ability to set Twitch channel. I think we're good on that, so I'm gonna check that. And I think we said we were gonna just work on the other stuff. So today I think I just want to add some callbacks. Some callbacks, keep it simple. Can you click on this? No, can't click on it. I wish I could. I think you can only click on the wiki, not here. Whoa. Oh, it's doing God knows what. Okay. Well, while that's happening, I can verify that this is okay. So, what is this? Let's do, so something that's cool is you can add that P and you can add this patch so you can split out what you want to do. So let's do it piecemeal, okay? So let's do split that bad boy, and let's not do this one, not do this one, but then do this one, and then yes, this one. Update IntelliJ plugin and use configuration defaults. Alright, even though it's only one file, we want to make sure we're pretty detailed, because at work I'm doing this thing where I'm going over, trying to recover some project, and it's using an old version of some snapshot of something. I think I committed too much. Anyway. Wait, that it's missing. This breaks every now and then because of this theme. I think it's the theme that breaks it. It could be something else, and I'm not quite sure what it is that breaks IntelliJ. I wish I could have somebody help me with that. Come on, IntelliJ, where are you? End task. I'm gonna change this to use. Actually, this doesn't even work anymore. To use 64 version, 64-bit. Yep, do it. I don't know if that's gonna make any difference. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Maybe it'll make everything worse. There were 2 changes in here. Yep, allow that. However, only one is showing up. Why did I commit this one? Fuck, I must have committed this with the other commits. Damn it. Commit. It's not worth it. Is it? No, it's never worth it. Git rebase, continue. Git log. It's dash P that shows the. Yeah, look at that. Look at me. Ah, fuck, dude. I committed all this stuff. Wait. Yeah, I committed that and that and that. The fuck was I doing? God damn it, dude. No, this is not gonna fly. Yep, we're gonna reset hard. We're gonna actually not reset hard. We're gonna just do a git reset. Yeah, we'll git reset to head -1. Git reset at. Yeah, okay. I kind of know how to do git, more or less. Yeah, so the reason why I didn't want to do it is because I committed too many things in my commit. So git add -p. Now we're gonna only add this, and we're not gonna add all this stuff. We're gonna split this. We're not gonna add that, and we're gonna split this again. We're gonna edit this because we don't have a choice, but we're not gonna. This is a tricky one. We're not gonna do that one, but we're gonna do the rest here because we need all this crap here. Wait. Yeah, don't commit that. Actually, you don't commit any of this. Actually, I actually don't know what happened. Fuck. Okay, so don't commit this. Yes, commit this. Alright, let me just verify that I commit the right things. Yeah, see, I don't want to commit that. No. Git reset build Gradle. Let's try this again. Yes. Split. No. No. Yes. Alright, then we can commit this. So, oh no. Update jet IntelliJ plugin and use default configuration. Okay, now we're good. So now we're back to this. So now I'm gonna commit this module stuff. So we gotta do this thing here. We need that. We need these. Okay. Whoa. Okay, because I deleted instead of replacing it. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna say add idea section to download to configure plugin for downloading source docs. Okay, so now last time is fuck. I must have also committed somewhere with this. You know what? Fine, whatever. Update build dependencies to use Kotlin 1.0.0. And we're good. We have a thing. So now we go to master, git merge, no fast forward. Oops. So now if here I want to do like upgrade Gradle or Gradle, fuck, Gradle dot or build dot Gradle to allow use of Kotlin 1.0. If using IntelliJ, you must use IntelliJ AP16 or greater. Otherwise, the run times won't match and you'll have a very, very bad time. Cool. Push that bad boy. All right. Okay. So I wanted to open the README earlier. one thing that add login. I think we're gonna add SL4J or SLF4J. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Oh yeah. Use what was the thing? What is their CI? JetBrains CI? Is it Team City? Yeah, okay. Add or configure Team City CI. And I think you get one for free. I've done this before, but I can never get it successfully working, so this will be the first time that I'll do it, like for Rizzle. I bet there's like a GitHub like little icon here thing that I can use. I think you can use Circle too. Circle or Circle CI, and though they use Clojure for a lot of their stuff, but I don't know if they support Kotlin. I guess you wouldn't need to as long as it supports Gradle, and Gradle can run something else. So it doesn't matter. I guess documentation. Oh, fuck! I'm tired. Okay. So today, as far as code goes, I wanted to... Oh no. Oh, this is all fucked up. This is all broken. Oh, I reset the wrong thing. Oh man. Oh, I submitted a broken branch. Oh man. I bet it's in my stash. I bet it's in my stash. Nope, we're gonna do this commit. We're gonna just fucking... Why is source tree not working? Fuck. We're gonna do it old school, I guess. GLGG, is that what I tell you? No, let's do G log. Okay, so we're gonna... I want to copy that. Can I paste that here? It's like the worst place to copy stuff. Oops. Yeah, I know, right? I'm fucking making mistakes like somebody's business. Nah, man, I got it, man. Look, check this out. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. This is not the screenshot button. Yeah, there we go. Screenshot. Okay, so we're going to... Oh shit! Let me open a new thing because I can't get to it. Going to reset hard here. Actually, git reset hard to upgrade to Kotlin. Git reset hard upgrade. No, to them to this one right here. How do I copy? How do I copy? I like this song. This is what I want to do, right? Right. Now we change branches to upgrade to Kotlin. Yeah. Alright. So now git stash pop. Yeah. Now we have the right stuff in the right place. These two that I forgot to commit in there. And since I forgot to add, I just like git add. So just add everything. Fuck it. And then just do git commit, amend, and it's all good. This commit now has everything. Okay, now we go back. Whoa, what happened to the path there? It got all crazy. Okay, so now we do the thing we were gonna do for initially again. We're gonna have to do push dash F, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Git merge, no fast forward. Upgrade to Kotlin. And I took a screenshot somewhere of something. What is this? No, it's not the one I want. All right. Nope. This one. And I'm just gonna, this is old school tech right here. I took a screenshot of the thing so I can type it again. No mistake out on. With that Gradle to allow use of Kotlin. That's how you do. That's how you do. Actually, I don't like this song. Alright, cool. I think we're back in business and we can just push and then say force. Or F for I don't give a fuck what you have on your server. Take what I have. That's what F really stands for. It shall be good, right? And all I lost was the readme stuff, so we can add it again. We're gonna use SLF for J and say add team city integration for CI. See, I made a better message now. And we can commit that. Update readme with more tasks. Team city integration. Yeah, and I'm choosing SLF4J because it's really good for a lot of reasons. The library that I'm using for Socket uses java.logging, and there is an adapter thing that is able to channel or pump all that logs into my application without me having to do any work except add a dependency, and then I can take all that logging and wrap it up into something nice and then Show it. So, I want to keep going, but I'm tired. How many branches do I have that are actually... Oh yeah, you know what? I know what I'm doing. I did a push. Guys, don't do push dash F at home. Just don't do it. I hope I didn't lose things. Like I did it and I don't even know if I so let's just make sure if anything's cool. Source main, Kotlin. I don't like that icon for Kotlin. It should be something else. Is it anything different for Java? It's still like ugly ass icon. Really, where the I think that's all the same. So one thing I wanted to do before I head out was to make these all callbacks that you can set. So let's make a branch and let's say, what are we gonna call this? Add callback handles to client. Bam. Actually, where is that other branch that we have here? This set Twitch channel. Oh, we're kind of like backtracking because that was not gonna work. Yeah, garbage, nothing is working. That's pretty much gave up on life at that point and said, you know what, this is not gonna work out. So I need to blow that branch up away. So let's delete it. Git branch delete. Set. We'll get back to it later. So the way you delete a remote branch, you do git push origin, and then you do colon. So you push an empty branch to a different remote branch. Whoa, don't do that. Yep, I delete it, so now it goes away. No more branch. I should be versioning this stuff as I go, but I don't really have clear defined things yet, so I don't know exactly where to version. I think it'll be just 1.0 when it comes out. There's no release candidate or anything like that, because I don't. Where do you even put the version? Oh, here it is, 1.0 snapshot. It'll be too much overhead for me to do versioning at this point, but that's what everybody says all the time for every project. And then you end up with 1.0 snapshot for 3 years. And then nobody can find your code. I'm not bitter. Nope. Okay, so it should be pretty fast because I am hitting that point where I can't write code without making mistake after mistake after mistake. So this test is working still, but it's a pretty BS test. It doesn't actually do anything. Of course, if you connect, it should be connected, and of course if it disconnects, it'll disconnect. The problem that I wanted to manifest was where you connect and you disconnect and you connect again, the connection is still open to the first channel that you connected to. But that's fixed by changing the version, which I did, right? Yeah, 7. Okay, so let's go to the client. let's add a few handlers. So let's call this on message instead of on message handler. So on message, and it's a handler. Something happens. So when you get a message, can I put an underscore and call it good? Can I give it nothing? You gotta give it something. So on message, do some magic. On clear chat. On clear chat. We kind of have the same pattern here. So no, because it's different, because the handler is gonna matter. Maybe once I get good with templating, I'll do some magic, but I think for now I'm just gonna keep fucking writing it. So then we do, it's not private, none of these are private because they need to be said by somebody else. So on disconnect, so let's just put them in order. On connect, it's probably gonna happen first. On connect, and this is just gonna be, do I need the prints here? What? I do need the prints. Okay, so we're gonna be unit to nothing to unit. Can I put prints around the whole thing instead? Seriously? Okay, whatever. Alright, so then we have, it's an empty thing because it doesn't do shit. Set, so then we have a handler. And that one's pretty easy because I don't have to unbind any event. It's just going to set it, so I probably can leave it as is. No, you have to remove, no. If that is true, then really I don't have to ever do socket off and on. So on connect, it's really just gonna be on connect, and then when it connects, you call it with nothing, right? Why is it red? The value passive parameter 1. Because there's nothing to pass. Okay, there we go. So you don't actually type anything. And on disconnect, so then it's gonna be, usually it's a connect, and then on join, just give it some types here. So when you join, I'm just gonna say on join. You do something, so you want to print the channel, you want to print something, whatever these things are, and then we have on disconnect, which could be the last thing, and on clear chat, like, never happens. So these are different, and I could write the same code that I'm writing here, and for example do socket on and just bind all the things, because I don't think I'm gonna dispose of this once I make one. I'm not gonna keep using it again. So I can do socket on socket dot event message. Yeah, on event message, and then pass in a call, pass in the thing that I wanted to do, and what I pass is actually also, this one's a little bit different because it does need to have the extra plumbing. So that was a bad example. But on for clear chat, we just say on clear chat. Except that this is an event emitter that takes in an argument. Yeah, because where is the yeah, it takes args and they do something and it's something like that, so I can the only way this could work is if this is an event emitter. Wait, which kind? Emitter.listener, sorry. Listener emitter? No, it does not work the way I want it to. So yeah, that's gonna be like that, and that's gonna be like that. So if you set the on chat thing, then you get something back. I wish I could do something like when you set it, you get back yourself. Actually, you can do it. So let's see, let's add the type for here. Let's commit here. Whoa, how did all that code change? Oh, no. Oh, because I changed the names of stuff. Rename. Callbacks. And rearrange code. Okay. So that's fine. Well, what I want to do is do something like so we have set, and then when you're done with that, you return yourself. So this, right? What is this complaining about? Explicit type specification. You can't do it. So so if I have a set, I can't actually return myself. So if I do this, let's open. Split horizontally. And actually, let me do this. So I remember. So for instance, I did on message handler. Oh. Yeah, because it's not gonna work, right? So I need to do something like a curry. What I want to do is kind of currying, and I don't think that's working out for me. So something like this, I get to define. So for that, I need to make functions, right? So let's try it with this one because it seems a little bit easier. Let's make this private and break everything, and then we do fun, and it returns. Oh, say on message. Can we call it and not won't complain? And it takes in a function that takes a message. So let's say CB. Let's call it handler. because I don't know what else to call it. Handler. Oh, I tried to do something for me. Cool. Do that. Yep. Cool. You know what I want to say. And then you say this on message equals handler, and then return this. Oh, do you have to actually type return? I'll have to put a type here. Client. Oh, can you do this? Can you do this here? No, because you have to make it equal. You can't just do it that way. So if I did something like this, right, and I would have to actually type the handler, wherever the fuck wherever the handler is, which is this here. The idea is the following. The idea is that I can do this. Sure. I thought I already. Whoa. Oops. Where's the music? Oh, source tree opened like fucking a year later. I don't need you anymore. Fuck, I'm actually tired. Holy crap. Okay, and then you can do something like that. So then I can do on message again, right? But instead of being on message, it would be something like on join or something like that, right? So then you just do them all together, like if I'm gonna do that, then yeah, because you can also do something like this. Instead of passing that, you pass in the handler, and then you can continue instead of inlining it in there. So yeah, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. We're gonna do this. It's gonna happen on I'm surprised to let me do this on message kind of stuff. Making all these suckers private again. Private. On it. And here we are. So on message, we just do the same thing. It's pretty mechanical here. Fun on join handler. It's gonna be a unit type. We return client. This on join. It seems like this seems super repetitive, and I'm kind of annoyed that it doesn't return the last thing. Join. What else is there? On connect, on join, on message. Oh, we don't have on connect. I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but I think I've written this class a few times already, and I think I just need to roll with it. So on connect, on join, on message. What's the other one on message? I think I did this here, so. I don't know why I have this and then this here. I don't think I need both of these. I think I just need on connect and then yeah, so now I have a duplicate that I need to get rid of. So I already got this one here. Unconnect, unjoin on message, and then one on clear chat, handler, client, and then we say this on this is surprised. I'm still surprised this works. I think in Scala that would throw a hissy fit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need an on disconnect too. Here, okay, here it is, on disconnect. Feels like I'm running a bunch of bloatware, and I can. Okay, and connect. All connect does is connects, so no more of this. Okay, so let's commit all this stuff. Make what's it called? Callback properties private and functions composable. No, it's broken. No, I pushed broken code on message. There we go. Okay. So we have all those handlers that do something, and this is so this is two calls. You connect or you listen. So don't do both. Do on connect, and there's a handler that does something, so we don't take anything in here. So all you do on connect, you fucking connect, and on disconnect, same thing. But the difference here is I want this to return this. Whoa. Oh, yeah, of course. Okay, and on disconnect, same thing. Although, now that I'm doing this, I don't know if this is gonna work out fine. I think it is. It just feels like super repetitive. Like all I do is proxy, and maybe I don't even need these things anymore, but I think I do. I think there's no other way around it, but I could be all full of shit. So yeah, so now let's fix the example now that we okay, remove callback argument from this connect. Okay, so let's see. So we have an on message handler. And we can have like an on disconnect handler. So if I'll on disconnect, and all it does is really this basically. Oh, this is my disconnect handler. I disconnect. Ooh, which makes no fucking sense at this point. So we have yeah, so we set up this whole thing. So it's gonna be on message it's gonna be on message handler, and then on disconnect. I wish I could change it somehow to parentheses on message on disconnect handler. Ooh, what happened? This is a handler from unit to unit. What's going on here? Is that what I need? Wait, what? On disconnect. I don't have a return statement, but I think if I don't put anything in okay, I'll just be very specific, because this I think returns. And again here, I need to set this up. Yep, like that. Same thing. So you connect, and on connect you attach the on message handler and on disconnect handler. So all it does, hi Yulobeth, all it does is shows Twitch chat is basically it. I can run at this point. I'm redesigning the API a little bit, the thing that talks to the chat client, but I think I can run something. Let me see if I can run this so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm writing this as a Swing application, and I'm gonna embed it into a Twitch plugin. The idea is that I want to have the chat on the thing itself. My code is broken right now, so I can't show you, but it's basically it. It's a Twitch chat. Like it's nothing fancy, nothing crazy. And this was done. I did this so I can learn Kotlin. Kotlin is this language by JetBrains. So that's why that's happening. But at the moment, a lot of the code is broken, sadly. Okay, cool, man. Thanks for watching. Probably gonna call it good in a few, because I'm pretty spent, but I'll try to keep a regular schedule so you guys can continue seeing the progress. Of course, my tests are broken because I changed the API. So I'm testing asynchronous code at this point, and it's going to be interesting to see how that handles. But it's not, it shouldn't be that hard. I just need to flip this around, so this needs to be outside. On connect. This is strange to write test this way though. Is the test still working? Oops. They're debugging instead of let's quit that. I actually don't wanna debug. I want to just run this. Cool, test seems to be still working, so I need to write better tests instead of just what I have here, but I'm trying to see if I can still actually run this. Cool, and live with the beeping noise is Gitter. It's a chat plugin. It's a chat thing that I have, but I can exit it. It's just chat room for different repos. Cool. So this is how it looks in the Swing application. and I think this one idea that should still be running. I really like this timing thing. You can see how long it takes to run your shit. This is probably broken because I didn't. Oh, I guess it works. Cool. But I don't trust this code. This code seems all fucked up. Alright. Yeah, so the benefit is that you can chain these calls now. And I only expose the limited set of things that I want to do. So many noises. Weird noises outside. I think this is all I wanted to do today. There's nothing else that I wanted to do. We got Kotlin 1.0. I updated my API to not be silly. It still feels a little bit silly here. All these calls that all I do is proxy over to here, but we'll leave it like this for now. So let's do it. Updated. Oh, I finished that too. I think this is it. That's all I wanted to do for that. So I'll merge that to master. Just gotta make sure it's on the internet, and if it is, then go to sleep. Cool. So my graphs, when do I work on this? When is it that I'm working on? Seems like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at 8 PM. That's when I start coding. Oh, one time I started at 5. When was that? Friday? What a loser. Coding at 5? That's probably my days off. Okay, so I am done for today. I will continue. We have a list, we have a path forward on this readme. And I'll probably work on this a lot better. Ability to set Twitch channel. I think the only way that I do now is destroy the client object and then make a new one and then connect again. And if that works, that's fine. I don't really want to make this in a way that's mutable, that you can touch a lot of stuff inside. So just make a new one, fuck it. Make a new connection. And add Twitch icon. That's what I meant to say. Fix the ugly UI. This is gonna take a while, so it's probably gonna be last. This is probably gonna be before that, and at some point I gotta do CI. But that's where we are, and that's where I'm gonna end today. So thanks for watching, guys. This is